Hola, my name is Farra and I'm a psychology student. I'm studying at the University of Jambi's Faculty of Medicine and Health Science. I made this very first vlog in a tutorial of mine on Proposed. For our dearest English lecturer, Madam Healthy, SPD and PD, thanks a lot for giving us such a great opportunity to bring out our creativity to create videos like this. Being a YouTuber for a day is not that bad, it's fun. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a sunny summery tasty healthy drink that has a lot of benefits for your body. But first, we need the supportable ingredients before we make the tutorial. They are honey or sugar, lemon, cucumber, strawberry, ice, and mineral water. First, you have to cut the fruits. Yep, cucumber is also a fruit, so you know that according to science, cucumber is also a fruit. The three of those ingredients have so many benefits to our bodies. Like they'll help us to stay hydrated and great stuff like that. After cutting them to slices, add them to the container and add some ice. Honestly, honey and sugar are optional. Me myself love pouring honey to it. It gives such a sweet, natural, sweet taste to it. After pouring honey, the last step you have to do is pour a cup of water into the container you are using. And voila, that's all. Ingredients shopping vlog and a tutorial from me. In case you are interested in seeing more of my classmates' works, you might be smashing that subscribe button below. If you like this video of mine, please leave a traces by leaving nice words below or raising your thumb up. I'd be so very grateful if you do so, and I really appreciate every little things you guys do toward this channel and this video. Have a nice day! See you next time, bye bye!